How to set multiple images as your lock screen wallpaper. This tutorial shows you how to set a slideshow of photos as your lock screen on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Wallpaper and Style. From there, tap on Change Wallpapers to open the Wallpaper selection screen. At this point, tap on Gallery to browse your own photos. In the next step, tap on Select Multiple to enable multiple image selection. Following this, tap on all the photos you want to include in your lock screen slideshow. Once done, tap Done or Next to proceed. From here, make sure Lock Screen is selected as the destination for the wallpaper. At this stage, you'll see an option to set the slideshow change frequency. Choose how often you want the wallpaper to rotate, such as every tap, every day, or every hour. Finally, tap Set to apply, and your lock screen will now cycle through all your selected photos automatically. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you set multiple images as your lock screen wallpaper, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.